Okay, this is my video response for Colin Outdoors 3-year anniversary giveaway. Congratulations, Colin. I really appreciate all your videos and everything I'm able to learn from you. So keep up the good work. Here's to 3 more years. Just a quick video. We were talking the other day and you mentioned you hadn't got your hands on the Leatherman Wingman, and mine came in the mail 2 days ago. Got it off eBay and couldn't be happier. It's in perfect condition, like new. I'm not going to do a review because there's plenty of those out there, but loving it. The spring action is great. Everything is sharp as can be, just as expected with Leatherman, and I think it's going to be a great everyday carry multi-tool for non-wilderness type stuff, since it does have the scissors as opposed to the saw, and then it's got the package opener and whatnot. So I think it's going to be my everyday carry for work and that good stuff, and then probably switch to something if I'm out and about on the trails or whatnot. So again, that's my entry, and once again, congratulations. Thanks.